Hi, welcome to Dashley's YouTube channel. My name is Lata, and during this video you will see how to quickly and easily get a 20% increase in your conversion rate. In other words, you watch 5 minutes video, invest 2 or 3 hours into setup and get impressive results. A lot of money. It may be surprising for some people, but the way how lead generation forms, pop-ups and chatbots are set up has a serious impact on the conversion rate. I'm almost sure that all the tools you use can perform at least 20% better if you do what we recommend here. Just imagine you have 2% conversion rate and after a small modification it becomes 2.4. Figures will be more demonstrative. Just imagine that you have 150k traffic and the average revenue per user is 10 USD. Such a modification may bring you additional 6000 USD revenue. Not bad for a 5 minutes video, so let's start. Meet the main course, triggers and the content. Exit intent is perfect to be the trigger for the pop-ups on the desktop. It allows you to reach more relevant users and compared to a session-started pop-up, it doesn't distract them. With this modification, the conversion rate is expected to be 10% higher with the same traffic. Pop-ups should bring value to your customers, otherwise they will not convert as you'd like them to. Just a promise to call back will work 2 times worse than the real profit the user will get if he or she leaves their contact info. Think about the value for the customer your product brings. Free delivery, 24/7 technical support or something else. Include the value into the call to action, do the testing and see the results. I'm sure they will change for the better. It's crucial to provide clear instructions to users about what to do. Experience shows that the call to action which is straight to the point may convert much better. The difference may reach 50%. If you have any doubts, do A/B testing and see the results. And by the way, here is the video about A/B testing. Content changes bring noticeable outcome, but it's never enough. Design edits may improve metrics as well, slightly, but they do. What's more, it may be achieved quickly, so don't miss the chance. We recommend you to make sure that your pop-ups have contrasting text against background. The more contrasting the text color is, the more readable pop-up becomes, yielding you a higher conversion rate. Solid background colors are also effective. The expected conversion rate may be 20% higher with this design improvement. Let's compare. Here you can see bad contrasting background with my favorite cucumbers, and here you can see just a good contrasting background. I love cucumbers and I guess I know what I will have for dinner this evening, but this solid color background is much better because it is more readable. Users pay better attention to contrasting messages. Try to change the color, this is just a matter of a couple of minutes. And yes, this may be applied to both pop-ups and lead generation forms. Don't be scared of big pop-ups, they convert! If behavioral metrics don't give you any results, run the test with the control group. Compare the users who saw the pop-up and didn't see it in order to reach the next steps of the funnel. Let's compare again. Do you know why this big pop-up is better? There is no way you can miss it. Perhaps you are worried about the behavioral metrics here. A/B testing for a couple of days will clear any doubts. Chatbot is also a good thing to edit. Add emojis to the text in the bot and highlight the most important words and phrases in bold and italics. Does this make the text more readable? Yeah! You get more users involved in the chat. This also works with emails. An email with an emoji in the subject is just more catchy. We both know what you will notice first in your inbox. And now let's talk about how to improve the chatbot on the website. Don't rush to build a giant chatbot. This is a mistake 99% of marketers make. You can invest hours and hours into this and get nothing in return. The first thing you need to work on is to make several greeting messages with answer options. Then pick one which converts better and scale. Dashley allows you to launch pop-ups and chatbot on your site quickly and test the hypothesis in several days. Is this advertising native enough? Be sure to test yourself straight after this video. In order to qualify leads, there should be no more than 2 or 3 questions in the chatbot, otherwise the conversion rate drops. Users are lazy and they don't want to participate in a long journey to leave their email or phone number. Every next question deprives you of approximately 20% of potential leads. So, get rid of all the unnecessary questions and enjoy new leads. Show your chatbot in the right place at the right time. For example, show it on pages or activities which signal high interest. Such an approach will save you the behavioral metrics and you will surely receive good quality leads. I don't want to see the chatbot with the info about new arrivals while I'm searching for the sneakers with a 70% discount. There are also situations when chatbots shouldn't appear at all. When a person is placing an order, a chatbot may divert his or her attention. At the same time, in case the order placing is taking too long, this may be the trigger for the chatbot to show up and assist. Every scenario is individual. And now I request you to leave a comment with your own experience on how you reach the higher conversion rate. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe and share. This channel will help you to sell more.